beautiful people, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. As you could tell from the title, I am going to show you how I got this makeup look today. This is usually my go-to makeup look before I start filming. Sometimes the eyeshadow will be a little bit different, but it's basically the same routine that I usually use every time I get ready to start filming a video for YouTube. So I am going to take you through the look and show you the items that I use. I'm filming the intro to this video on my phone, and I filmed the makeup routine on my vlogging camera, but looking at the phone right now, it looked like I should have done everything on my camera. So hopefully the exposure on the camera is good, because it is looking a lot better on the phone. So like I said, I'm going to show you what I use to get this this makeup look. And if you're interested in seeing what I do, then keep watching. Okay, so guys, before we get started with the look, I'm just going to moisturize my lips with a lip balm that I got from Family Dollar. It's only $1, but it's very moisturizing. So we moisturize our lips, and I'm also going to pull back my wig away from my face so that I have better access to my face and don't get any makeup in my hair. So I'm just putting some clips to take my hair out of my face. And the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to moisturize, and I am using this face moisturizer called Glassy Skin Balm, and I got this in a BoxyCharm box, one of the BoxyCharm subscriptions for the month, and it's very moisturizing. So I get that all in, and now we're going in with a primer, and this primer is from Benefit, and it's called the Benefit Professional Primer. I've used a lot of primers, and I really like this one. It's good coverage, the makeup goes on nicely over it, so it's a very nice primer. So here I'm just showing you my face with the primer on, and now we're going in with a foundation. I have two of them because I'm doing this video in the winter time, and my skin tends to be a little bit lighter in the winter, so I have two foundations. I have one that is 355, and I believe that is coconut, and I have 330, and the 330 is a little bit lighter. So we are going to go in, and for this video we're going to use the lighter foundation, and we're going to use the 330. I'm just showing you what they look like against my skin, and then I'm showing you that I'm going to use the 330 Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I just put it on my face with my fingertips, and then I would blend it in with a beauty blender. Again, I got the beauty blender. I have others, but this particular beauty blender I'm using, I got it in a BoxyCharm box, and I wet it, and I go in and I make sure that everything is blended into my skin. No, the video is moving a little bit fast, but it's all in the interest of time. And now we're going in with a concealer, and this is from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in the shade Warm Honey. I really like this one. I use it all the time because it works so well. The LA Girl, and it's not very expensive. I believe you could find it at your local beauty supply store. I've never had to look for it on Amazon or anything like that, but I get it from my local beauty supply store. So after the concealer, I go in with a setting powder, and this is from Becca, and it's a Becca Set and Refresh powder, and I believe I don't have it in front of me right now, but I think my color is honey. You see me laughing right there. I'm watching Tiffany Haddish on Netflix while I'm filming. She is so funny. You see, you see I'm cracking up. I was watching her feature on Netflix. Just blending out and wiping away all the excess powder with a regular powder brush. Make sure everything is blended out. And now we are going in with a contour stick. And this contour stick I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and it's from LA Colors. And I'm in the shade medium. So I go in with a contour stick. I have other contours, but I couldn't find them at the moment. So I figured I'll just go ahead and use this one. So I'm just showing you what it looks like. It's not very bright or very pigmented, but it works for me. And now I'm going in with a contour brush from Elf, and this just goes and it blends it out. So there it is. And like I said, I speed up portions of this in interest of time. Now we're getting ready for eyeshadow. And this eyeshadow palette, I received both of them. I received again from BoxyCharm. Every month I get a palette in my BoxyCharm. All three of them are from BoxyCharm. And I'm going in with the Naturals palette, and from that I'm going to pick that gold color where I'm pointing to. I'm going to pick that gold color from this palette, and from the Essentials palette I'm going to pick a green color because I think it would be a nice combination. So let's see how it looks. So yes, from this Naturals palette I'm picking the gold, and I'm going to do the green on the outside. So the gold on the inside part of the lid and the gold on the outside, and the green on the outside. So as I was filming, my camera cut off. So here we go. I'm showing you. I already have the gold on. Now I'm putting on the green. And then, as you know, for it to look good, we're going to need to blend, blend, blend. So here I am blending. And wiping off the excess fallout from the eyeshadow. Trying to do it all without messing up my eyebrows that I try to do off camera. And now I'm going in with a little bit more gold in the waterline. But as it turns out, yeah, I'm putting some more gold in the waterline. Checking myself in the mirror to see if I like it. Wiping off the excess. And I had to stop and drink some, in the cup I have lemon and water and ginger. So I was sipping on that. As you see the Christmas tree behind me, it's winter time in New York. It's kind of cold, so in the winter time I like to sip on lemon water, and sometimes I put ginger in it, and that was the case here. I'm checking out the look, and I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like the look, so I'm gonna go in and I am going to take that off and start all over. Try to decide if I still like it or not. And no, I'm just gonna go in and remove it and start again. I'm gonna still keep the same colors, but in a different combination. As it is right now, I'm gonna put the green color all over the lid. Instead of doing two shades, I'm just gonna do one shade on my lid. Just want to make sure that I got enough on the brush. Go in very carefully and place the green shade on the lid. I don't want to go up too high because too much will be, it wouldn't look good. So I want to make sure that I keep it below the crease, or within the crease as you would say, and put enough so it makes a difference. Yes, looks better. Looks better than the green and gold. So let's go in and do both eyes. Just cleaning up the fallout and checking to see how it looks, and yeah, this looks a lot better. And now with the gold, like I said, I'm still using the same two colors, but I'm putting the gold color in the inner eye corner just to highlight the inner eye. I'm not gonna go into the waterline with it. I'm just gonna put it right there in the inner eye. I'm dimming the light to see if you'll be able to see it better. And here's a closer look at what I did. And now it's time to go with blush. And for my blush, I use this blush from MAC in the color Raisin. I've actually had it for a while. I know they say you're supposed to change your makeup every 6 months, but honestly, I don't wear makeup every day, so I've had this blush for a while. And I think it is so pretty. And it's the color Raisin from MAC. And as you could see, the look is coming together. As you guys know by now, I don't like heavy makeup, but I still want to look put together. Okay, now for my lashes. I didn't put on any lashes. I just put some Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Put like about 3 coats of it on, just to make them thick. I find that this mascara is very nice. I've tried others. I've even received some again in the BoxyCharm boxes, but I always go back to Maybelline Great Lash because it's very moisturizing and it elongates my lashes, I find. So if you're interested in an affordable mascara, consider the Maybelline mascara. You can find it in your local drugstore. That's where I usually buy it. If not, then you can order it from Amazon. They also have it. Yeah, don't pay attention to my jacked up eyebrows. I'm not good at doing eyebrows. Just want you to see a closer look of the eyeshadow and my eyelashes. Yep. Just to take a closer look. Alright, next step, we're going to go into doing bronzer. I love this bronzer from Milani. And especially in the summertime, if you don't, in the summertime you wear light makeup, if you put this on, bronzer with some mascara and a lip gloss, you are good to go. This bronzer is beautiful on the skin, and it's from Milani, and again, it's another drugstore product. And now we're all done, and to set it all, what I have in this bottle, believe it or not, is water. Watch me spraying as if I have real face mist in there. I put water in a tiny bottle that I got from Aveda. I believe the original thing in this bottle was a face refresher from Aveda, and it was, when it was done, I just put water in the bottle, and that's what I use as a face mist. There's nothing wrong with that. Face setting mist, as they call it. And the water just make your face a little bit more dewy. And now we onto the lips, and this brand is called Iconic London. And again, I received this lip gloss. It's a plumping lip gloss. I received it in a BoxyCharm box, and it has a minty flavor. It smells good, and it tastes so good, and it works. Not that I'm looking for more plumpness, but that's what it is. And it's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's moisturizing, it's long lasting, and I love this lip gloss. So yep, they're finishing up the look. It's not very heavy like I said, but this is the way I like to look when I put makeup on. I don't want to look as if I'm too heavily made up. I just want to enhance what's already there, which is what makeup is supposed to do. So this is the look with everything that I showed you. And I'm just zooming out so you could see my hair and the face. That's what I do to get this makeup look. I hope you like it. If you're interested in seeing me do more videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button, and I will continue to make more videos like this. I will start to dabble in brighter colors, because this color is a little bit muted, so it's like a green color, And I'm not wearing any lashes, I'm not wearing any eyeliner. I just went in real thick with the mascara, but I think it came out pretty good. And I'm not wearing lipstick, but I'm wearing a lip gloss. So there is more makeup to play with. So if you like videos like this, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, just go ahead and hit the like button and I will continue to film more. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment if you wish, subscribe to the channel, and share the videos with your friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.